Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about AILET Preparation 2024 strategy, important topics, best books and study plan. Let's check the AILET 2024 exam pattern. The exam mode will be conducted in pen and paper mode and the medium of exam is English medium. There will be 3 sections and multiple choice questions. The exam duration of 1 hour 30 minutes which is 90 minutes. There are 150 number of questions with the total marks of 150. There will be negative marking. For each incorrect attempt, 0.25 will be deducted from total marks. Let's check the AILET 2024 BA syllabus. In section A, English language consists 50 number of questions with the total marks of 50. In section B, general knowledge consists 30 number of questions with the total marks of 30. In section C, reasoning consists 70 number of questions with the total marks of 70. Let's check the AILET 2024 preparation tips for journal affairs. In the journal affairs section carrying 35 questions, the optimal time recommended for this section is 21 minutes. That is 0.6 minutes for every questions. According to the previous year question papers of AILET exam, more questions are asked from current affairs than static GK. In order to prepare for this section, candidate must have or develop an interest in reading newspapers. Candidates should stay aware of the latest happening and events around the globe. Let's check the AILET 2024 preparation tips for English. Since the English section of AILET exam consists of 35 questions, ideally candidates should finish the section in 21 minutes, wherein one question should not be given more than 60 seconds. The section of the exam checks the proficiency in grammar and comprehension. Hence, candidate must spend time perfecting their language skills by using English in their daily life. To score well in this section, it is important for candidates to read and write as much as they can and build a good vocabulary. Along with learning new words, also learn about the sentence usage of that word. Most importantly, get a good grip over grammatical rules that would be used in sentence correction or creation. This will help candidates tackle error detection based questions. When preparing for a language based section, it is best to incorporate the language into our daily use so as to learn where the candidate need to improve and work on. Let's check the AILET 2024 preparation tips for elementary mathematics. The elementary mathematics section in AILET exam consists of 10 objective questions which should ideally be completed in 6 minutes. In order to complete the entire exam in the allotted time, to ace this section, candidates need to clear their basic concept of elementary mathematics, that is X grade mathematics. Candidates should not undermine the value of this section as the weightage of this section is less compared to the other sections of the paper. It is important to remember common formula that might be of any use to candidate during solve the questions from this section. Practicing more and more for this section is the only way to ace this section. Let's check the AILET 2024 preparation tips for legal aptitude. AILET exam toppers have suggested that candidates should not spend more than 21 minutes to complete this section carrying 35 questions. According to the exam pattern and recent trends of the exam, most of the questions in this section are principal fact based. Candidate must answer these questions on the basis of given legal principles and facts and should not just make assumptions. It is necessary for candidates to be aware of the landmark as well as recent judgments and news laws and amendments. Candidate must practice mock tests and previous year question papers to solve this section as this will help them in gaining the speed to solve the question faster. Let's check the AILET 2024 preparation tips for logical reasoning. Questions from 9 different topics are asked in this section of the exam, making it a total of 35 questions. Questions in this section are designed in a way to test the ability to understand logical links and identify patterns. The majority of questions in this section are asked from topics like critical and verbal reasoning, analogies, number series, and fact inference judgment. Candidate must solve previous year question papers to ace this section regularly. This will help them in finding the tricks and shortcuts to solve the questions from this section. Try to imagine the shapes while solving puzzle related questions. Let's check the preparation books for AILET 2024 BA LLB. For English subjects, the books are High School English Grammar and Composition by Wren and Martin. Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. For mathematics, NCERT books up to class 10th. Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Exams by R.S. Agrawal. For general knowledge, NCERT books of history and civics. Lucent Journal Knowledge. For Journal Knowledge Current Affairs, the books are GK Today, Manorama Book, Indian Yearbook, Pratiyogita Darpan. For Legal Aptitude, Universal Guide to CLAT and LLB Entrance Examination. For Logical Reasoning, Analytical Reasoning by M.K. Pandey, Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agrawal. Let's check the 60 days study plan for AILET exam 2024. At least give 60 number of days for AILET preparation. Give 5 number of hours to study in a day. Give 40 to 45 days to complete the syllabus. Minimum 3 to 4 topics to be covered in a week. At least 3 to 4 give sample paper or mock test paper in a week. Give 15 to 20 days for last minute preparation. Let's check the daily routine for AILET preparation. Check the syllabus and pick up any topics and start reading its basic concept. Start answering beginner level questions from that topic. Once done, proceed to the mid and high level difficulty questions. Solve sample papers from that topic. You can also solve the questions asked in the previous year papers of the AILET exam. Learn all the important formulas and shortcut techniques. Read at least 7 to 8 new words daily and use them in words. Solve 1 to 2 exercises from jumble, paragraph, sentence correction and other important topics of English. Read newspaper to collect the important news and current affairs. Make notes of important points and formulas from the topic you have prepared on that day. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.